Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay. I post everything related to dance, circus, and performing, so if those are things you're interested in, please subscribe. I just made my return to YouTube, so your support would be very appreciated. Alright, so we're just getting started with some shoulder shrugs. So we're going to do them on 2 arms, 10 times the normal way, and then we're going to do 5 times rotating backward, and then we'll do another 5 rotating forward. And then for this next one, your posture is important, so make sure you're not arching your back. Make sure that your core is nice and hollow and the front of your hips are extended and long. And then we're just doing 10 leg pulses. And then we're gonna do 3 leg extensions on each side. Now you are shifting your weight to each side, so it's normal for your hips to tilt a little bit, but try to keep them as level as you can and really hold your position. We're going into windshield wipers next, so it's really important to make sure that your hips are lifted up in the center here and touching your arms. And then when you're in that meat hook position, your top leg is parallel to the ground and your bottom leg can sink lower and be a bit externally rotated or turned out. So then you're just gonna sit up and pull up to stand with your best technique. It's important to start using the best technique you can during your warm-up just to set the tone for the rest of your training. We're gonna do a 10-second pencil hold. And then we'll just do an angel position on both sides here. We'll do 10 tucks hanging from the ropes. Make sure not to beat or swing back between reps if you're getting tired. Sometimes that's a habit that we all tend to do. Then you're just going to sit down nicely and do a negative leg lift or a 10-second leg lower with straight legs. And there we are. That is the end of the warm-up. If you do need something a bit more challenging, I also have an intermediate/advanced version, so you can go ahead and progress to that one.